Big news for the XRP ledger. An amendment is set to lock up billions of XRP for the long haul, and whispers of an XRP ETF and strategic reserve are growing louder than ever. This could be a game changer, but that's not all. Non-XRP enthusiasts are even raving about how incredible the XRP price chart looks right now. The charts don't lie. The momentum is building and the excitement is real. Stick around because there's a tidal wave of bullish energy coming for XRP that you don't want to miss. Big news for the XRP ledger. This is a game changer. A wave of updates is on the horizon, with amendments set to go live in just 14 days. While many are fixes, one stands out as groundbreaking, the AMM clawback. Why is this so exciting? Because it unlocks a whole new level of functionality. With this feature, tokens with clawback capabilities can now integrate directly into the automated market maker, AMM. Translation, Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, will soon be part of the XRP ledger's AMM ecosystem. This isn't just an update, it's a major leap forward for the ledger and its capabilities. Stay tuned, things are about to get interesting. This is a game changer. Many believe RLUSD is set to hit a multi-billion-dollar market cap in just a couple of years. Why does this matter? Because it means billions of XRP could be locked up in the automated market maker alongside RLUSD, removing massive amounts of XRP from circulation. This isn't just exciting, it's revolutionary. XRP finally being used for its ultimate purpose, liquidity, will transform the ecosystem like never before. The supply crunch will be unprecedented, driving a supply and demand dynamic that could redefine the XRP ledger's future. And this is just the beginning. With more groundbreaking amendments on the horizon, the stage is set for something extraordinary. Buckle up. The power of the XRP ledger continues to evolve, reaching new heights with every breakthrough. It's not just about adoption anymore, though we've got that too, with traditional financial institutions, governments, and improved policies paving the way. The ledger itself is transforming, becoming an unstoppable force. And now, with this game-changing amendment, we're getting a native stablecoin for the XRP ledger. But that's not all. It's set to lock up billions of XRP for the long haul. This isn't just another update, it's a monumental shift we've been anticipating. A spark that fuels demand for XRP while pulling untapped supply out of the market. The momentum is building, and the future of XRP has never looked brighter. Buckle up, this is just the beginning. Big news is brewing, and it could send shockwaves through the XRP community, a potential XRP strategic reserve. The whispers are growing louder, and the evidence is mounting. A reliable source, DB, known for sticking to hard facts, is hinting that this idea is becoming more than just speculation. And here's the kicker. It seems Trump himself might be pushing for an American cryptocurrency reserve. Imagine this, the US establishing its own crypto reserve, featuring assets like XRP, USD Coin, Ripple, and even Solana. The sheer demand this could generate for XRP is staggering, setting the stage for a massive FOMO wave. Whether this reserve stands alone or operates alongside Bitcoin remains to be seen, but one thing is clear, XRP's role in this evolving story could be monumental. Buckle up, because the crypto landscape might be on the verge of a seismic shift. The real game changer here isn't just the news itself, it's the tidal wave of FOMO it's about to unleash. Governments and institutions worldwide will have no choice but to scramble, racing to implement similar policies or risk being left in the dust. And guess what? XRP, as an American cryptocurrency rooted in the world's financial powerhouse, is about to claim the throne. This move sets XRP leagues above every other cryptocurrency out there. But that's just the beginning. Imagine this, the odds of XRP being exempt from capital gains taxes just skyrocketed. If the US is doubling down on making XRP a key player in its cryptocurrency reserve, it only makes sense to cut the red tape of taxation. Piece by piece, these developments are stacking up, creating a perfect storm of momentum that few of us dared to dream would come this soon. The XRP community is staring down a future packed with catalysts we thought were years away. Now they're right on the horizon. Buckle up. I never imagined that in just year one, we'd be hearing whispers of an XRP strategic reserve and zero capital gains taxes on XRP. Yet here we are, and the presidency hasn't even begun. This is shaping up to be far more bullish than I ever dared to hope. I've said it before on the channel, but heading into Trump's presidency, one of the biggest wildcards was whether he'd go all in on crypto. Now it seems the stakes are higher, and the game more exciting than anyone could have predicted. Buckle up, these next 4 years could could redefine everything. At first, it seemed like cryptocurrency would be just another issue left to gather dust. With so many pressing political battles, like the border and national security, how could it possibly compete for attention? But everything changed when he started surrounding himself with key figures like JD Vance and Vivek, champions of utility-based cryptocurrencies. That's when I knew this wasn't just another passing trend. This was the real deal. Now, a growing wave of support is crashing across the political spectrum. Republicans are rallying for reforms to back assets like XRP, and even Democrats in lower offices are quietly joining the charge. The tide is turning, and the future of crypto is no longer a question. It's a movement. The tides are turning faster than anyone anticipated. Many on Coinbase's pro-cryptocurrency politician chart aren't just showing support, they're actively championing pro-crypto legislation. This isn't a case of proposals getting endlessly blocked. Change is happening, and it's unfolding at lightning speed. Enter Brad Garlinghouse. After meeting with President Trump and the Ripple team, he dropped a bombshell earlier today. US regulatory clarity is imminent. Not just that, he predicts a seismic shift in crypto adoption is closer than we think. These aren't just words, they're coming from someone deeply connected to the heart of the action. Buckle up, the revolution is here. Big moves are happening, and the signals couldn't be clearer. For days now, whispers of a strategic reserve have been building. But here's the kicker, it's not just Bitcoin, it's a crypto strategic reserve. The implications are massive, and XRP could be positioned to take center stage. Let's not forget, Ripple was one of the largest donors to Trump's inauguration. Is it really a stretch to imagine XRP reaping enormous benefits from what's coming? Trump seems poised to lean heavily into this concept, and the timing feels anything but coincidental. Just last night, the SEC filed their appeal brief, sparking immediate reactions. Algorithmic traders triggered a sell-off on XRP, but here's the twist. Within moments, the price rebounded, shrugging off the event like it was nothing. The real story, however, is Jeremy Hogan's perspective. He's doubling down on the belief that this case is heading for a settlement. And that's huge. A settlement means validation, momentum, and a win that's far more meaningful than a simple dismissal. After countless battles against the SEC, the groundwork has been laid for something monumental. The tide is turning, and XRP stands ready to capitalize on what's next. Buckle up. After 4 years of relentless battles, we finally have clarity on XRP, on Ripple's business, and on how Ripple uses XRP. Throwing all of that hard-fought progress away to start over. That's the last thing anyone wants. This isn't just a fight for Ripple, it's a fight to set a precedent, to create real guidelines for how Ripple can operate in the US market. A settlement, while taking slightly longer than a dismissal, would be transformative. It would place Ripple and XRP in an unparalleled position, with more clarity than any company or cryptocurrency in the entire industry. Imagine this, Ripple sitting down with a powerhouse like Bank of America, confidently laying out exactly how they can use XRP, backed by explicit institutional clarity. That's the missing puzzle piece. And when it's in place, Ripple won't just participate in the market, they'll lead it. This is how we know Ripple's compliance stands firm, rooted in the settlement reached with the SEC. What's fascinating is Jeremy Hogan shifting gears, moving away from hopes of outright dismissal to something far more strategic, a settlement. A settlement that not only grants Ripple undeniable clarity, but locks the SEC into a position they can't reverse. To me, this is the most explosive, bullish outcome we could hope for. Legal experts appeared to agree. When the SEC filed their brief, the market barely flinched. Why? Because the bigger picture is crystal clear. This isn't just about dismissal, it's about Ripple securing institutional level clarity in a market dominated by institutions. This is groundbreaking. The market knows it, and that's why we're seeing such a massive reaction. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In the last few days, influential voices who've never touched on XRP are now talking about its potential. Even chart analysts like Ali Charts are suddenly zooming in on XRP's price action. The buzz is real, the momentum is building, and the possibilities, they're limitless. Buckle up. Someone who's barely mentioned XRP before is now boldly predicting a $15 price target. For many in the XRP community, that number sounded unrealistic, impossible even. But here's the thing, seasoned investors in other markets know something many overlook. Market caps can soar far beyond expectations. Why? Because in crypto there's no ceiling, no predefined limits. The rules haven't been written yet. We're living in crypto's early days, the equivalent of the internet's 1980s or 1990s, as Brad Garlinghouse puts it. Back then, critics called internet companies wildly overvalued, and yet those same companies skyrocketed by thousands of percent, birthing trillion-dollar giants in a world that had never seen anything like it. They shattered the old paradigm, and now cryptocurrencies are poised to do the same. The question isn't if they'll redefine the market, it's when. Cryptocurrencies are poised to redefine the financial world, potentially reaching market caps in the hundreds of trillions, or even beyond. Why? Because they're not just currencies, they're something far greater. They surpass traditional equity, standing as decentralized, neutral financial tools capable of absorbing value across the entire financial system. They realize that you couldn't attribute some arbitrary market price to what was changing in the background. Take a look at this as just another data point. Another person who almost never talks about XRP now posting an XRP logarithmic chart with Bollinger Bands squeezing XRP and showing that this thing is likely just getting started. Trying to assign a market cap feels almost futile. It's like trying to measure the limitless. XRP, in particular, is set to deliver numbers that will shatter today's expectations. Remember the early days of the internet? Back then, projections sounded absurd, almost laughable. Yet those who truly understood the transformative power of the technology knew better. The same is true now. Cryptocurrencies are not just investments. They're the foundation of a new financial era. Let's cut to the chase. How overheated is this rally? Is it fueled by pure FOMO? Is it just people recklessly throwing leverage at a rising price, hoping to catch the wave? Not this time. What's happening with XRP right now is a game changer. But here's the big twist. Leverage in the system isn't increasing. It's dropping. Instead, spot buying is surging. This isn't speculative noise. It's intentional action. People aren't chasing short-term price spikes. They're buying XRP because they believe in the token, in the ecosystem, and in its long-term potential. This isn't about riding the hype. This is about staking a claim. It's about saying, we need XRP. The message is clear. This is conviction, not speculation. We were always going to buy that XRP on the spot market, no matter how it impacted the price. The truth is, those in the know understand this moment is trivial compared to the bigger picture. They're not just buying, they're paying a premium because they see the value in securing access to the asset now, before it's too late. This isn't hype, it's not FOMO, this is real, calculated demand. These aren't people rushing in blindly, they're staking their claim, seizing an opportunity they might have missed when prices were low. And here we are, ahead of the curve, grounded in fundamentals we've tracked from the beginning. We've been right so far, and I believe we'll continue to be proven right as the future unfolds. Thank you for tuning in, and let's keep riding this wave together.